So we just had a rainstorm, thunder and lightning. And this is how the sky should look. But over the lake, there's all these weird clouds and lights. Look at, I hope you can see them on here, man. I did another video about the lights over the lake. I think it was maybe a month ago, a few weeks ago. It's like 2 in the morning, and right where it is concentrated, right there. But it was just one spot. Now you can see it all over the whole lake. Try and brighten it up some. I notice it darkens when I try to put film instead of picture. But how bizarre. It's not lights from the city or nothing. The city's way over there. That's Lake Ontario. You can see it looks like a dome like going right over there. Very messed up. Peace.